Welcome to the factory of Welding laser. Today we will introduce to you the laser welding machine. The laser head is stable and safe. The processing quality is good. Touch intelligent control screen, easy to install and easy to operate. Install the laser welding nozzle of the laser heads. The machine is ready for welding. The laser welding machine comes with 18 different languages. Machine language supports customization. After turning on the machine, set the parameters according to the different materials welded. After powering on, press the laser button, ready for welding. Our laser welding machines can weld almost any metal, including carbon steel, stainless steel, iron, alloy steel, titanium, nickel, tin, copper, aluminum, chromium, niobium, gold, silver, and other metals and their alloys.